Hi kindergarten, it's Miss Luxa. Today we're going to do a fun science experiment. We are going to make our very own cloud right here in my kitchen. Now first, what's really important, what I want to say is that if you try this at home, you have to ask an adult before you do this. And you should have the adult do it with you, okay? Because there's some stuff that would not be safe to do on your own. Okay, let's get started. Let's talk about what materials you need. I have a jar. I have 1 cup of warm water. I have a glass of some ice cubes, and I have some matches. And now this is why you have to be very careful with this experiment and why you have to do it with an adult. So we are gonna make a cloud in this jar. How are we gonna do that? Well, if you didn't know, clouds are actually made out of water. So we're gonna use this water to make a cloud. And when you see a cloud, it's not water just like this. It's actually water turned into a gas called water vapor. So this liquid goes through this process called evaporation and it becomes a gas, and it will make a cloud of water vapor. Okay, let's try it. So the first step is to have our jar here. Take the lid off of the jar. You're gonna take this 1 cup of warm water. It does not have to be boiled. It doesn't have to be super hot. It can just be hot water from your sink. And we are going to pour water into the jar. Just like that. Now this is the part where you have to be really careful and why you need to have an adult with you if you try this at home. I'm going to take a match. I'm going to light it. I'm going to hold it over the jar for a couple of seconds and then drop it into the water. So it makes it even more hot in the jar, and so that there's some smoke, which will help form, it will help turn the water into gas, into water vapor. So I'm going to be paying really close attention to what I'm doing so that I don't get hurt. Let's go. Quickly put the jar back on so that none of the smoke gets out. And then we're gonna put a couple of ice cubes. I'm gonna put as much as will fit because the ice cubes are cold. So it's gonna help turn the water into water vapor. I think that's probably all that I can fit on the top. I'm gonna let it sit like this. You're gonna start to see some, kind of looks like a cloud already in the jar. I'm gonna let the ice sit on top of the jar for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna set the timer. I'll give you a closer look at the jar so you can watch the cloud form. And then we're gonna take the lid off of the jar and see the cloud come out. Let's go. So I'm gonna bring you closer. Do you see the cloud? You can kind of already see it. So my timer just went off. I'm gonna put ice cubes back into the jar. And I'm gonna wipe off the lid a little bit because the ice melted on the top. And I brought the camera in close so that you would be able to see the cloud very well. Okay, are you ready to see if the cloud escapes from the jar? 3, 2, 1. There it goes. And I just made a cloud in my kitchen. How cool is that? Thank you so much for trying this science experiment with me. I hope you learned something about the clouds that you look up in the sky and see. Have a great rest of your day.